Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. As we are eager waiting for the upcoming top flagship smartphone, the Galaxy S25 series, it is just on January Samsung announced its Galaxy S24 Ultra with an on-device AI feature which stunned several competitors and buyers. Now, Samsung is reported to be working on the next generation of the Ultra model which will debut next year in 2025. While the launch is months away, we have already come across numerous leaks about its potential specifications and features. If you are curious about what's coming, Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to come in a bigger display size of 6.9 inch. There are also speculations about improving the brightness of the device. Currently, the Galaxy S24 Ultra provides 2600 nits of brightness. On the camera, while there are very limited details about the camera specs of Galaxy S25 Ultra, it is rumored that Samsung is bringing greater upgrades to this department. As of now, the smartphone is expected to feature a 50MP ultra-wide sensor. Speaking about the performance, the Samsung Ultra model has relied on the high-end Snapdragon processor for some time now. Therefore, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be powered by the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, which will significantly boost the performance of and AI features. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra may also come with a 5000 mAh battery just like the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, more details about the battery are yet to be revealed. We have yet to know what Samsung might be planning for its next generation One UI. However, Google is actively working on Android 15 which may reveal some of the upcoming features. The smartphone will be officially revealed in first quarter of 2025, therefore, we will have to wait and see what's coming. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.